Hey yo, what's up, yo? What's up,
Can you
what's up,
meet me
what's up?
halfway? Right up the borderline is where I'm going away.
What's going on, everybody? Today is the day to go and pick up our beautiful 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R 636 for the giveaway. We're in Williston, Vermont at Roadside Motorsports, the Yamaha Cowie dealer. Let's go here and check out their showroom. This is the showroom over here at Roadside. Look at this beautiful 2024 Yamaha R7. Now, we did the voting poll on my Instagram, and you guys had the choice between that bike and this bike in order to be a part of the giveaway for this upcoming season. And the Kawasaki ZX6R blew the R7 out of the water, and so that is what we picked up. But there were so many other bikes in here to choose from, and if I could literally ride and build all of these, I definitely would. Look at this monster of ZX10 in this black on black colorway. That is absolutely insane. We got an entire show floor full of tons of helmets. We got the LS2s, we got the HJCs, all of these insane, beautiful, gorgeous looking helmets. Tell me in the comments down below which helmet is your favorite and what your favorite helmet brand is. I personally wear a lot of ILM. I have had a Rock before, but definitely don't like the wind noise that I was getting in my helmet, always trying to fly off on the track when I'm above 160. And if you're looking for gear, come on down to Roadside. They have it all. Get a load of this little 50cc Yamaha right here. All the big rigs. Go downstairs where all the magic happens and put together these bikes. And there she is, 2025 ZX6R. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God, insane.